Hey guys, welcome once again to Traders Motivation, and today we're going to go through a few currency pairs, have a look at the Forex market, see if we can find any trade setups, show you a few trades that I'm in. Just a quick disclaimer, anything that I talk about today should not be construed as financial advice. Any trades that you take based on the information that I talk about today, you do so at your own discretion. So in front of us now we've got the New Zealand dollar, US dollar daily chart. I went long a couple of days ago, maybe a bit prematurely. But it's well within risk. I entered short again in the middle of yesterday or early yesterday, and again it's dropped a little bit further. But we are looking like we are going to reverse around the 6890 level, which is just here, which corresponds to the support level there. We did come down and test it around the end of the year. Now we're coming down and testing that level again. I do predict a reaction probably back up to about at least 6992, and that's where I'll be putting my take profit. My stop's in place for both trades. Stand to lose about 2% of my account if we come down and stop, but I believe that we are likely to see a bit of a move up. The New Zealand dollar has been taking an absolute hammering over the last 7 days. Before then, I mean, we dropped from against the dollar on the 28th of February, so the end of February. You're talking about 10 days worth of downside. As with everything, what comes down must come back up, and it's just a case of finding the reversal point, and I believe we found it probably today. We'll probably not see a movement now until New Zealand markets open up later on, although the dollar market will open up at around 2 o'clock in about 4 hours. So I do predict we'll probably see a bit of upside, and I will maybe take profit quite early on these and get out of these trades because we have seen quite a drop in the New Zealand dollar, and there's nothing to suggest that it'll reverse completely. So that's where I am with the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I've just taken a short on Usdcad based on this supply area here. Stops up above the green candle there at 13586. I'm predicting it to come down to at least the 3409 level, maybe a little bit lower, 3405, and I'll be taking profit there. So that's where I am with the Usdcad at the moment. We did make this high and then this high here. However, we came back down, made this low, lower low, lower low, but we have come back up here. I do predict we'll probably make a lower low down here to at least 12944 over the next probably week, 2 weeks. So I'll be placing trades based on that analysis. So that's New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Usdcad. I have been in negative with the euro New Zealand dollar for quite some time now. I placed that trade about 4 days ago based on these levels around here. It's just flying away at the moment. Although we have hit some resistance, some support at some resistance at 5327, which corresponds all along the line. So we've got it hitting around there, came back down, used it as support there, support there, support there, resistance there. So it is a key level that we're currently at. I think if we break that and then start moving up, then I will close out this trade. I think I've got about 0.5% based on this particular move, so we're not going to destroy our account in doing so. That's euro, New Zealand dollar, and then I went long on the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, again in line with the short on the euro, New Zealand dollar. It did make a bit of a comeback yesterday, but we're looking at probably a more sustained move to the upside in the next 24 hours. I'll probably take profit around the 80.07 level. Any drop towards 7879, 7873, and around that area will stop me out of that trade, and I will get out and leave that one alone for quite a while. So there we have it, guys. That's the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Usdcad, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, and the euro New Zealand dollar. I am predicting a reversal in the New Zealand dollar at some point within the next 24 hours, 48 hours. And fingers crossed that'll put us back into profit on those trades. But all risk is considered, all risk has been calculated, and we are just riding it out for now. Can't rush these things, guys. You've got to stay patient in the currency markets. Trust in your analysis, have your stops in place, and just let the trades play out for themselves. Alright, so there are quick updates on the trades that I'm in. If you like what you've seen or you've got any comments on what I've talked about today, please leave them in comments below this video. Please subscribe as I do these videos every couple of days. I am on Instagram at trader_daily_motivation. I am likely to do some more videos on how to get started in Forex for those that are just beginning to get into the currency markets, so stay tuned. Alright guys, best of luck in the markets today, and good luck. Bye for now.